as matured leaders of this party, as those who believe in the growth and development of the country, and as leaders that made them. We made them without sounding immodest. We made Governor Alex Otti, made him governor, supported him, made sacrifices to him, refused bribe, refused offers that made him governor. And so today he was again on Arise Television and deliberately trying to misinform members of the public in respect of the Supreme Court's decision. My major worry was his foul language when he said that we are masturbating. The Supreme Court have sacked us and that he's laughing at us because we are still holding on to the leadership and masturbating in the party. And I felt that he's not the only one who can use counter language. And I want to reply him as follows. Number one, Dwarfy and Lilliputian men used to be men of great ideas. It is Alex Otti that I will see, who is not only Dwarfy in appearance, but also Dwarfy in knowledge. The Supreme Court decision was clear, crystal clear, that issues of leadership are a domestic affairs of the party. It is unambiguous. It is clear. And when the Supreme Court said it's a domestic affairs of the party, what does it mean? Even a layman who didn't go to school will know that the constitution of the party will be supreme. And the constitution of the party have created organs. Who has the mandate, who has the powers to dictate the affairs of the party. And rightly so, the Supreme Court said every matter that has to do with leadership and internal affairs and the domestic affairs of the party. And the party organs spoke loud and clear on the 27th of March 2024 at Nnewi, where a national convention was held that brought in the leadership of the party. And therefore, for him to again be on national television today after they have moved themselves like crickets to INEC office, and I'm sure the media saw it, where a governor belittled himself, carried the CTC, because we've not seen governors before, because INEC have not seen governor, or because he think he can intimidate INEC and harass them by going to INEC to submit a CTC of a court judgment. They jumped, carried it like cricket and went to INEC. INEC is a civilized organization. INEC is an organization that believes in the rule of law, that is guided by rules and regulations. And I want to say clearly that Otti is not a good representation of our party, Labour Party. We went to the street in 2023 to tell Nigerians that Labour Party are going to produce leaders that will be different. We told Nigerians that a new Nigeria is possible. And that was why Nigerians followed the party. And today, what are we getting? We are seeing the typical politicians that are there, who will treat party constitution with ignominy. If you cannot obey your party constitution, is it when you are the president of Nigeria or when you are governor that you will not treat the constitution of Nigeria, the Electoral Act, and so on with impunity? If because you are governor, you can sit in Abia and say you have dissolved national executive, state executive, ward executive, local government unit executive. Even PDP, in their most powerful days, with all the governors, have never behaved with such an impunity. Even in APC that is in government today, have not behaved with such a high level of impunity. Labour Party believe that local government election should bring development to the people, should bring government to the people, should bring growth and development for the people. And Labour Party believes in it solely, that the purpose why we have on that development is the country, is because our local governments are not allowed to work. And that was one of the reasons we campaigned vigorously, that Labour Party was going to behave differently. Today, the only governor we have conducted a local government election that is worse than those that are conducted by APC and PDP. It is unfortunate. Alex Otti ought to be a unifier, being the only governor. Because we expect that as the only governor, even if we had quarrels in the party, we expect that he should be the unifier. But today is the mystery of the party. Say, woe, a disgrace to the party. Yes. 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 Alex Otti was sworn in on the 29th day of March. May 2023. We expect that after 1 year, he will call a meeting of NEC, of the National Working Committee, and appreciate the leadership of the party for supporting him. The only meeting he could call is to create an illegal caretaker committee. What an ingrate. I've never seen such an ungrateful politician. Today, we have decided that we'll set up a disciplinary committee, that no man can be bigger than the party. We must begin to make difference in Nigeria, that it cannot be business as usual. The reason why political parties are in chaos is because political party leadership don't accept themselves. Labour Party will make the difference. And Nigerians, by the time we finish our struggle, Nigerians will believe us, Nigerians will follow us, Nigerians will know that Labour Party is a no-nonsense party, that we are ready to take the bull by the horn and do things